Hey, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I got a new lithium battery for my toboggan. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. Here's the unboxing. One lithium ion starter battery from Alberta Lithium and Lac La Biche. Let's get in here. Okay, the instructions say to test your battery, and you're supposed to have 13.2 volts if it's operating normally, and we got that. Hopefully you can see that good. It's 220 cold cranking amps. It's quite a bit smaller than the factory OEM battery. I'll have to sneak in the house and get the scale, but yeah, we're gonna get her installed on my old snow machine here. So the battery is just under here, so we'll take all this stuff off and get her installed. Okay, be right back. Okay, we got the battery box off. That's this little guy, and there's the OEM. The black one is the stock battery. And there's my lithium. You can see the size difference is quite a bit. Okay, let's take this old battery off and let's do a little weight test. Guess in the comments how much you think the difference will be between the factory battery and the lithium battery. All right. Okay, I got the factory battery beside the lithium battery, David and Goliath, and I snuck the scale out of the house. So we're gonna give them a little weigh test. Okay, let's do the heavy guy first. $14.2 is the factory battery. What the heck? Hang on. Well, I think my scale isn't quite sensitive enough to weigh my battery here. Huh. Well, that's kind of unrewarding. Anyways, one's a lot lighter than the other. Okay, I'm gonna get the lithium one installed. Woohoo! Okay, because this lithium battery is quite a bit smaller than the factory one, I put these little strips of adhesive rubber. I did both sides. So now we can go install it. It's gonna sit right there. It's gonna be on fire. All right. Okay, the battery's all installed. You will see this white piece of foam I added. It had a gap there. It's gonna make me nervous, and I added some more black foam. And of course, I ran out of the black foam. And I put a double, I don't know if you can see, there's 2 layers there, and it holds it nice and it won't rattle. And yeah, she's all done. A little bit smaller than the factory one, but the moment of truth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to get back to them. And hopefully we can get out there and shred some POW. Have fun. Play safe out there, kids. Peace.